People of the Purple Butterfly here, otherwise known as People7 on Twitter and YouTube, People elsewhere on the internet. My blog is located at purplebutterfly-people.blogspot.com. My soaps, Purple Butterfly Soaps, can be located at people.etsy.com. And my t-shirt designs, purplebutterfly-people.blogspot.com. And here I have a fun little concoction that will burn your mouth stronger than pepper will, but there's no pepper in it. This is ginger root and lime juice. I made a 12-ounce glass of it because I didn't realize I needed that much. I'm doing a natural detox. So I tried the method of grating and juicing ginger root, and apparently I don't know what I'm doing with that. So what I did instead, because grating and all that was not working for me, so I cut it up in itty bitty pieces, put a half cup of water in it, hit it with the stick blender until it became a liquid. You know, you have to stir it, but it's still a liquid. And then I juiced 2 limes. You can use lemon. You're supposed to use lemon, but I can't take lemon because I'm allergic to lemon. And I found out you could use lime, and lime actually gives better results. Put the 2 together, and I stored it in a coffee cup. And I'm thinking, hey, it's fine, you know. Mom doesn't go in the kitchen. When she does go in the kitchen, she doesn't touch anything that doesn't look familiar, because this is a house where a soaper lives, and they already know. Well, my aunt moved in, and she's nosy. So she decided to just go, what's this, some kind of juice? Then came in there complaining to me about how it tastes. What was that? That's not lye or something for your soaps, is it? I said, well, if you didn't know what it was, why are you drinking it? You know, most people, if it's something unfamiliar, they're going to go, hey, what's this? Especially if it's a house where a soaper lives. I have ice cube trays that I've put plantain and almond milk in, put the ice cubes in a plastic bag, put it in the refrigerator. I did the same thing with yogurt. I did the same thing with goat's milk, because a ice cube is 1 ounce, and if you're making a recipe that requires, 5 ounces of goat's milk, 5 ice cubes go in there. 5 goat milk cubes go in there. And if you're making other things that you're waiting for the lye water to cool down and get to proper temperature, or waiting for the oils to melt, so forth, so on, you just go ahead and store your stuff in the refrigerator. I have even put certain fragrance oils in the refrigerator, because some fragrance oils have vanillin, which makes the soap turn brown, and some things, because of temperature, gives a whole different effect. So there are certain fragrance oils I put in the refrigerator before I use. So if you don't know what something is, don't touch it. That woman grabbed that juice. I still crack up about it. Lime and ginger root, you're supposed to put it in, 2 tablespoons in a glass of water. Some people are just juicing it straight and, grinding up and drinking it. I couldn't do that. It was way too strong. So I found that 2 tablespoons, which is what the usual blend of it makes, is about a shot glass worth. And I had already made way too much. So I just take a shot glass, then, hit it with the shot glass, drown it with some water, or some coffee if my tongue is real sensitive, because, like I said, ginger has a bite. But give it a try. You do 3 days on and a week off, then 3 days on, and it's a natural detox. It helps your liver, your colon, your gut, so forth and so on. 3 days in, the only thing it did was make my nose run instead of what it usually does. So that meant basically my system was detox. Some people do it for a full 7 days and then back off to a week or 2 and then come back. I tried it because that's all I was going to do, is just give it a try. And to my surprise, it works and the scale went down. So I'm going to keep it up. This has been People of 7 on Twitter and YouTube, People of elsewhere on the internet. My blog is located at purplebutterfly-people.blogspot.com. My soaps, Purple Butterfly Soaps, can be located at people.etsy.com. And my t-shirt designs, purplebutterfly-people.tmail.com. Y'all stay blessed, stay tuned. Bye now.